Good morning to all. Today we discuss the topic is introduction of MS Word. First of all, introduction of MS Office. So MS Office stands for Microsoft Office. So Microsoft Office is a program or application or software. Microsoft Office is a collection of programs or collection of applications is known as a MS Office. MS Office means collection of programs or collection of softwares is known as a MS Office. Basically, it is used to various types of official works such as making presentation, writing letters and data entry, etc. It is a combination of MS Word, that is MS combination of or components of MS Office. Components of MS Office, that is MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access and MS Outlook and MS Publishers, etc. So these are the MS Office components. First we discuss the topic is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processing program. Microsoft Word is a word processing program. It is widely used in application package. It is widely used in application package. It is used to create, edit and format a documents. It is widely used in create a document and edit a document and formatting a documents. It is mainly used to create documents. It is mainly used to create documents such as letters, reports, files, cover sheets, whatever may be. A number of features are available in a word processing package. A number of features available in MS Word, that is word wrap, editing, spell check, grammar check, thesaurus, find and replace, header and footers, mail merge, macros, reports. So these are the some features of MS Word. Next one, MS Word is a tool that helps you quickly create documents with a professional look. With a professional look. MS Word is a part of the MS Office. It has been used for over a decade. Over a decade means that is ఒక శతాబ్దం వరకు దీన్ని యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. Once you create a document, you can use a over of decade. So next one, word processor offers you flexible to format documents by making changes the font and page layouts and the page styles. In this MS Word, tools are tabs. Tools are tabs in MS Word, that is home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, view. So these are the tools of MS Word window or tabs of MS Word window. Meaning of MS Word. MS Word is a word processing program. It provides various processing and documentation tools. We can type in text and even insert graphics, videos and sound in a Word document. This is the how to open a MS Word 2007. How to launch a MS Word 2007. You can open Microsoft Word by clicking on the desktop icon or by clicking the start button. So how to open a MS Word 2007? To click on the desktop icon, to click the start button, to select the all programs and choose the MS Office and click the Microsoft Windows 2007. So this is the tabs Microsoft Word organized under the tabs home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review and view is the tabs and MS Word. This is the part of MS Word window. This is the part of MS Word window. That is, this one is title bar. Title bar contains two parts, that is quick access toolbar and Windows controls. They can be classified into two parts, that is quick access toolbar and Windows control. Windows control again classified into three buttons, that is it contains three buttons, that is minimize, maximize and closing. Minimize, maximize and closing. And quick access toolbar, this is the title bar in the part of title bar. Title bar means title on the page. It display the document titles. It display the MS Word document titles. Next, menu bar. Menu bar means title bar below bar is called menu. Title bar below bar is called menu bar. It contains some tabs are available, that is home, insert, page layout, preference, mailing, review and view. First of all, how to start a MS Word? How to start a MS Word? Step 1. Click on start button and select programs. Click on start button. Click on start button. Select all programs. Step 2. Select the MS Office. Select the MS Office, Microsoft Office. And step 3. Select the MS Word, Microsoft Word 2007. Double click on the MS Word. Or another step is to click the start button and select the run option to type the win word. The MS Word window will be appear. First, this is the window will be appear. The quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is this button is used to. It provides quick access toolbar. It provides frequently used commands. By default, save. First save. Second one undo, redo appears in the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is the title bar. The title bar display the title of the current or working document. It contains three buttons. Title bar. It contains three buttons, that is minimize, maximize and closing buttons. The quick access toolbar button is the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar provides frequently used commands. It is used to frequently used commands. By default, save, redo, undo and open buttons will be appear. Next one, this is the ribbon. This one means ribbon. In Microsoft Word 2007, we use the ribbon to issue commands. The ribbon is located near the top of the screen. This one is the ribbon. Okay, so the ribbon is located near top of the screen. Below the quick access toolbar, at the top of the ribbon are several tabs. The quick access toolbar below ribbon has several toolbars. several tabs, that is in home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review and view. Click the tab display several related command groups. This one is the click the tab several related groups. This one is the group, paste, cut, copy. This one is the group, several related groups, command groups. Within each group are related command buttons. Within each group related command buttons. We may also find a dialog box launcher in the bottom right corner. Okay, next one. Click on the dialog box launcher gives you access to additional commands via dialog box. You access additional command via dialog box. This one is the ribbon. So the next one is ruler. Next one is ruler. The ruler is below the ribbon. The ruler is below the ribbon. సో రిబ్బన్ కన్నా కింద ఉన్నటువంటి దీన్ని ఏమంటామంటే రూలర్ అంటాం. టైటిల్ బార్ కన్నా కింద ఉన్నదాన్ని రిబ్బన్ అంటాం. ఈ రిబ్బన్ అనేది సెవరల్ ట్యాబ్స్ ని కలిగి ఉంటుంది. ఒక్కొక్క ట్యాబ్ వచ్చి ఒక్కొక్క గ్రూప్స్ ని కలిగి కమాండ్ గ్రూప్స్ ని కలిగి ఉంటాయి. ఈచ్ గ్రూప్ కంటైన్ సమ్ సింబల్స్ ని కలిగి ఉంటాయి. షార్ట్ కట్ కీ సింబల్స్ ని కలిగి ఉంటాయి. సో ఈ రిబ్బన్ కన్నా తర్వాత ఉన్నదాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే రూలర్ అంటాము. సో ఈ రూలర్ అనేది ఏం చేస్తుంది అన్నట్లయితే the ruler below the ribbon, we can use the ruler to change the format your document. Change the format your document quickly. If the ruler is not visible, do the following step. Click the view tab to choose it. Choose it. Click the checkbox next ruler in the show or hide group. Then the ruler appears below the ribbon. Next one, this is the text area. This one. Text area is nothing but just below the ruler is a large area. Below the ruler is a large area. This is called a text area. You can type your document in the text area. The blinking vertical line in the upper left corner of the text area. The blinking left vertical line. The left vertical line in the upper left corner of the text area is the cursor. So left side lo unnatuvanti ee blink avutunna deenni emantamante this one is the cursor blinking. Okay, next one, this one is menu bar. Menu bar means title bar below bar is called menu bar. Next one is status bar. Status bar appears the very bottom of the window, and it provides such information on the correct page and the number of words in your document, and the number of your page number of words in your document it represents. This one, this is the part of the MS Word window.